I'm happy to announce that we have an additional speaker who was missed yesterday. So Dr. Anil Kumar from Department of Environment, Delhi is here. So we are going to, I invite him to the podium and he will make the next presentation. Okay.
Dr. Anil Kumar was to speak in inaugural session yesterday, and he's one person who has been in the thick of many environment-related issues. Actually, on his plate, even today, he has four items to be done during the day till 6 o'clock. So actually, I requested him, despite missing yesterday's session, you must come and talk to us because you are from Delhi and you know what's happening in MSW sector. Specifically, not only in terms of technology issues, but also what's happening after the technology gets implemented and what kind of feedback that you get from different stakeholders. So actually, we would like to hear something from him in this session.
Good morning, everybody. The eminent person on the dais and the audience present here. First, my apology, I could not come yesterday because of some commitment and some communication gap also. So really I like particularly this kind of the technology-oriented discussions, because this is the time for waste management issues to solve. Because what maybe about before 5 or 10 years, the all conventional methods were being adopted in the urban particularly area, and what is the situation in the land scarcity in all the understand in Delhi and other all metros and other cities also. So Delhi, I mean, taken the lead for the last about we can say 4 or 5 years. We tried different technological options available for the in the city and the international technology options available. We are going for both the kind of the centralized and decentralized way of the technological options. We going not only the composting, whatever we're doing for so many years. We started the project from about 2005-06 with the waste to energy, that was it. So this project, though lot of public resistance and things like, we started with the Okhla waste to energy plant, and I am just because I am associated in 3 different capacity in this project. As being a director of the environment department, Delhi government, this is my just to have a kind of better environment so that at least waste is managed properly. Sometimes most of them have some additional charge of member secretary, Delhi Pollution Control Committee also, as a regulator also. And third responsibility as a in charge of the Delhi unit of the SNA, State Nodal Agency for MNRE. So I'm supporting this project for the getting various custom clearance, excise clearance for the project, and also the subsidy issues and REC and so many issues there. So I am associated with this project, particularly I can say the waste to energy projects, the 3 projects different stage. The Okhla project is successfully commissioned and in operation. This is, I think, the first successful, you can say, though different projects I am just listening the presentation. So tried and it's going on very well. Though despite some issues are there, sometimes because this is started sometime from August 2012 this project, and we are getting about 1400 tons per day waste is properly managed, and the energy as per they have the commitment with the PPA with the DISCOMs they are generating, and also the open access they are selling that. But sometimes the social issues pollution control issues are there. Recently there was some episode also, some kind of some suits are there in the surrounding area and emissions are there. So we are just as a regulator, as a director of the department, we had frequently having meeting with these, including today we have also meeting with including CPCB and our DPCC and myself and the Okhla Waste Energy, we had called meeting also. So these are the issues will come because this is the new technology, and the Indian waste is different than the international whatever is there. So we have to see what are the options available. Land is the issue is all over country in the cities. So where to go? I go for conventional method where the lot of the greenhouse gas emissions are there and other kind of health issues are there, or go for the technological options available. Besides, we are also encouraging the decentralized way, like the technology available, so that locally you can manage the waste. For example, the one technology we tried in our Delhi Secretariat is the bark Nisarguna technology. Very successfully done in the Maharashtra and other part of the country. So we have just, and this successful project is going for 2 years, very successfully running in the Delhi Secretariat. Anybody can see that. And all the waste from our canteen, including horticulture waste, utilizing, and the gas generated is used again in the canteen. So these are the projects we are trying with the hotels and the hospitals also, and a lot of progress is there. And we just after 2 days going to have a meeting with all 5-star hotels in the with the Maurya Sheraton. So we are taking up these technology also with the at least the like bulk generators, whatever the waste for and for biodegradable waste. Besides, whatever the new technology, I mean at a small levels, at the community level. So particularly our system, I mean, should be in the particularly urban context. Wherever the waste, first priority should be, it should be reduced to, I mean, so either maybe compost, or there maybe like a organic waste converter is there, they are making compost, or any like waste to biofuel. Then definitely we cannot manage this huge waste like in Delhi, more than 8,000 tons waste. I mean, you cannot manage it simply by the decentralized way. So we have to have the options available, either waste to energy or waste to compost, wherever possible. Land is there, but particularly Delhi, we have the issue with the land scarcity. So we are going with the 3 projects. One is already Okhla, second is Gazipur, is almost ready, and we just recently we cleared some the equipment for custom and things like. So I think by end of this year, I mean, this will be also the almost in final stage. And third project, the Ramki is doing that with the. So this is the kind of very integrated project is there in the Narela side. So once these projects, 3 projects coming in Delhi, approximately I can say 5,000 tons per day waste will be managed out of the 8,000 tons per day. So at least major chunk you can say managed by the same technological options that we see. And rest you can different ways to, you can compost, you can do a decentralized way. So in this way, whatever the conventional methods of the land filling or open dumping, with a lot of issues, we understand as a regulator also what is happening in the landfills, how the condition is there, what are the emissions, what are the groundwater and other issues. So my just submission from this forum here, go for whatever the best, but we have to see all 3 issues of the waste management, social, economic, and environmental also, because we have to keep balance on these three issues. Waste, you know that anybody, waste is like is an NIMBY syndrome. Everybody thinks it's not in my backyard. Wherever you put the plant, this will come. So we have to definitely take into the confidence the local community also. So we have to see also as a regulator, as environmental pollution control issues, the emissions, the other technology we are opting is like for the betterment of the people or again generating pollution. So we have to see that also. And definitely for sustaining these projects, we have to have economic models also. We have to, whatever incentive is needed, we should provide either way of subsidy or way of like REC or whatever the other like should be. So we should, from all point of view, these projects are needed, and for every city, not only in Delhi. So in future, I think Planning Commission recently, our Deputy Chairman Planning Commission, they have taken meeting with all this Okhla, Jindal people, and our Secretary, myself were also there. So they are taking up these projects at the national level. So I mean, we should, whatever way, we should promote these technological options. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, Dr. Anil Kumar. So.